Hi, Kyler from FlexArm. In today's robotics and manufacturing video, we'll show you a part of our project to set up our ready robot for tending our 5-axis machine. We're using a shrunk vise here. We are testing out the quick tool chains that we are using on the end of our robot arm. And as you can see, the part was clamped, and now the robot mating up in that coupling and shooting air through can release it. You can go over to the other one now and clamp that back. So that's what we'll be using in our 5-axis machine. It eliminates any sort of tubing needed to run directly to the vise, so when that bed is turning back and forth, we don't have to worry about it getting tangled or coming undone or anything like that. So doing a quick little test setup like this is really going to save us time when we actually move to the 5-axis machine. This user interface and this programming that comes with our ready robot has really helped us in speeding up that changeover time when we're moving to something new or trying something out. So stay tuned as we get closer to moving our ready robot onto our 5-axis machine. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-837-2503.